Turn off the power at the breaker box and lock out the breaker box. Check the machine serial decal for the machine's voltage requirements. To reduce the risk of electrical shock, make sure power has been disconnected. Check the voltage at the breaker box to make sure that the machine's electrical requirements are compatible with the electrical service. Position the mounting template. Mark the positions of the mounting holes through the template. Refer to the installation manual for machine foundation requirements and floor load data specifications. Using the corner of a small box as a guide, drill the mounting holes. For EW35 through 125 models, bolts should extend 2 inches 51 millimeters above the floor. For EW150 machines, bolts should extend 3 inches 76 millimeters above the floor. Remove any dust or debris from the mounting holes and surrounding area. Install the mounting bolts. Refer to the installation manual for mounting bolt and floor specifications. As an alternative to the mounting bolts, a rebar frame made of reinforcing rods and mounting bolts, which is designed to be embedded into concrete, is available. Refer to the installation manual. Position the machine. Using washers as shims, create a 1/2 inch 15 millimeter gap between the floor and the machine. Insert washers at the back right and left corners and front middle of the machine's frame. Apply non-shrinking machinery grout around the machine's base. Refer to the installation manual for grout placement information. After the grout is firm but not fully cured, remove the washers that we used as shims starting at the rear. Allow the machine to settle into the grout. The grout should be a minimum of 1/4 inch 6 millimeters thick after the machine has settled into the grout. Using a small screwdriver, insert a drain hole into the grout. After the grout has fully cured, torque the mounting bolts. Refer to the installation manual for torque specifications. Remove the hoses from the basket. Remove the hose washers and insert the filter screens into the inlet side of the water hoses. Connect the water hoses to the water faucets. Flush out the water hoses. Connect the water hoses to the machine. To reduce the risk of electrical shock, make sure power has been disconnected. Connect the electrical wiring and the chemical wiring to the machine. Refer to the wiring schematic supplied with the machine. Connect the drain hose to the machine. Measure the vibration switch's gap setting. Refer to the installation manual for gap specifications. Replace any panels removed during installation. Turn the power to the machine on at the breaker box. Run the machine through a test cycle to test the machine's functions. Tighten and torque the mounting bolts 2 to 3 weeks after the installation. Refer to the installation manual for torque specifications.